many bigger games on the calendar than this one. Certainly we're talking about two successful teams with passionate followings. Stay tuned for Manchester City against Arsenal next on EA TV. And hello on a very pleasant day for football here at the Etihad Stadium. I'm Derek Ray, positioned here on the commentary gantry, and alongside me at the microphone is Stuart Robson. I'm looking forward to bringing you action from the Premier League coming right up. It is Manchester City, and they take on Arsenal.
Well, thanks, Derek, as always. The scene is set, two good teams, a great playing surface, and a vibrant atmosphere. Has all the ingredients for a really exciting game.
Introducing the starting players for Manchester City. Ederson begins in goal. Kevin De Bruyne plays with Rodri in central midfield. And in attack today, Kylian Mbappé starts with Lionel Messi. And so the starting 11 for Arsenal. Martin Ødegaard plays with Thomas Partey in central midfield. And leading the line today is Gabriel Jesus. Can he get them the lead? In it goes! But it will not stand. Offside, Stuart.
Well, it looked close, didn't it? He certainly thought so. He's making that clear to the linesman now.
William Saliba. On to Jorginho. And promising stuff from Arsenal. But nothing comes of it. Well, not many would debate the point that Erling Haaland is a joy to watch whenever he's out there on the pitch. But what should we expect from him today, Stuart?
Well, he's certainly on fire at the moment. He looks fit, he looks sharp, and he's full of confidence. He's just been too hot to handle, and I fully expect him to score again today and eventually break that record.
Can they hit them on the counter? Well, that break looks promising, but nothing coming from it. Haaland took a really smart piece of defending to stop them. This could be troublesome. Must take the lead here, and they have. You've got to say, it has been coming.
Well, just look at this again. The speed of counter-attack is so impressive, and from there, the end result was never in doubt. He just goes round the keeper and slots it home. Lovely finish.
On they go again. A wake-up call for the City players, maybe. Can they find a response now? Erling Haaland. Clean challenge. And he has options available. But really sticking to the task defensively. Well, nearing the half-time interval, and Manchester City still trailing. Stuart, interested to get your thoughts.
Well, I've been a little disappointed with their attacking play. It's all been a bit too slow. If they can pass into their front areas with more quality, switch play quicker, and be more positive in 1v1 situations, I think they'll get back into this.
Flag raised for offside. Rodri. De Bruyne now. Well, taking into account all the stoppages, 2 minutes to be added on. Given away by City. Haaland. And there goes the half-time whistle. Well, who would have predicted this? Well, that's advantage Arsenal after the first 45 minutes, but still a long way from being decided here. Could be dangerous. The defender put in the challenge, and it might be a red card. And it was always going to be crystal clear for the referee in terms of the decision.
Well, he had to make a tackle, didn't he? Unfortunately.
And the goal, almost bewitching in its beauty. Excellent technique.
Well, I have a feeling we're going to see this time and time again tonight. It's a fantastic bit of technique. Just to get that much lateral movement on the ball. Wonderful strike.
Kylian Mbappé. City finding space on the flank. And the goalkeeper has outdone himself with that save.
Well, they haven't seen too many chances, but the crowd sensing this could be a turning point. They need a goal here.
They're going for the short one. Aimed towards Mbappé. And the keeper stretching to deny him. And Manchester City will go to their bench. Short corner. Rodri, a good-looking ball, and the danger is about him. Jesus. Well, there's been a boatload of speculation surrounding him ahead of the game. There are many who believe that this will be his final campaign, that he's on the verge of retiring, Stuart.
Well, it's a shame if the stories are true, because he still has so much to offer. But his body must be telling him it's had enough. Let's hope he has a great end to his career.
Stones. Feeding it through. Can he get one back? It could be up for grabs. And he goes on the second chance. Disappointment for the keeper. No wonder he's asking questions of his defence.
Well, here's the replay, and this is what you're always told as a kid. Go for the far post, make it difficult for the keeper, and then hope your teammate is ready for any rebound. He does exactly that, and they get their reward. What a good goal that was.
So continuing with the game, City just one behind now. William Saliba. 20 minutes to go with this one. Foden. On to Holland. Oh, he's through here. Well, the break looked promising, but the danger has been averted. Well, this is the home of live football, EA TV, and we have more action coming up from the Premier League for you. It's Manchester City facing Aston Villa.
I'm really looking forward to that. Two entertaining teams in what should be a really feisty affair.
A good vision there. Foden. Surely the equaliser. Mbappé! Oh no! They've come up with a late leveller. Really doing this the hard way.
Well, just admire the pass here. As we can see, Foden makes exactly the right decision with that final ball. And from that sort of range, you'd be shocked if Mbappé missed out. He just keeps showing us what a top finisher he is.
So underway again at 2-2. Gabriel Jesus. Arsenal remain on the front foot. Can they find a winning goal? Chance maybe to use their counter-attacking ability to good effect. And the fizzle with that. And the play, City through. De Bruyne. And it's opening up. Oh, my goal! What drama here near the end. They might be down to 10, but now they hold the lead. Incredible.
get tired of watching this because the interplay around the box is wonderful. And all you can do is admire the finish by Mbappé. He hits the ball so cleanly. It's a fantastic strike.
Three to it is. Who would have predicted that before a ball was hit? And the referee is going to add on 4 added minutes. Mbappé! A goal! How about that? He's put it away to make it a hat-trick.
Well, here's another look, and you can see what a good finish this is. He holds off the defender brilliantly and keeps his composure. That's a great goal.
So the current scoreline 4-2. And in with a real chance. And still danger here. Well, they can keep possession now. And there goes the final whistle. A real sense of feel-good for City fans everywhere. They take the 3 points from this game. What did you make of it?
Well, Derek, they were dominant in most aspects of the game, particularly that midfield area, and they also looked threatening in the top third of the pitch. It's a really good result for them.
All eyes on Kylian Mbappé. In wonderful form, can he add to his goal-scoring haul today on EA TV? Well, it is a glorious night for football here in the city of Manchester. A warm welcome to the Etihad. I'm your match commentator, Derek Ray, at the microphone. And sitting alongside me is the former Arsenal, West Ham and Coventry midfield player, Stuart Robson. And we've got Premier League action coming right up. It is Manchester City up against Aston Villa.
Thanks, Derek. Well, both managers will be reminding their players of starting the game quickly, hitting the opposition back, playing the ball forward and regaining possession as quickly as possible. Hopefully we get a really good game here.
And he read it well, intercepting it. Well, he would have been disappointed had he spilled that one. And so the starting 11 for Manchester City. Ederson between the posts. Trent Alexander-Arnold plays with Kyle Walker as fullbacks. Kevin De Bruyne plays with Rodri in central midfield. And in attack today, Kylian Mbappé starts. Can they forge ahead? No! Chance missed!
And a big chance at that, Derek. He should have put them in the driving seat there.
Stones. Deserves credit for winning the ball back. Mbappé. Oh, in with a chance. Oh, great goalkeeping.
Well, that's a top quality save. Great anticipation.
And a short corner here. Oh, disappointing clearance. And problem solved for now. Well, you get the feeling so many in attendance here have come just to see this man, Kylian Mbappé.
Well, how can you stop him? If you get too tight, he'll use the space behind you, drop off and he'll turn and run at you. Add that to his movement in the box and you can see why he scored so many goals.
Mancity.
Well, let's look at this again, Derek, because the transition when the ball changes hands is so quick, and the movement is so good that they end up with a 2v1 against the goalkeeper, who was completely exposed. Great play, but poor defending.
And back underway, 1-0 it is. Ben Yedder. Not much defensive cover there on the flank. Oh, maybe the equaliser. Oh, there it is! A back and forth sort of match. Now they're level again. The lead lasted nearly minutes. So back underway following the equaliser. Bernardo Silva. Here's Ronaldo. A very good tackle. Nico Zaniolo. It's with Douglas Luiz. And City have possession once more. Bernardo Silva sliding it through. Being pressed and pressed high. And Alex Scott can fill us in on what's happening at the London Stadium. Someone has scored there, Alex.
Yeah, it's a goal for Spurs. It's now 1-0 with 39 minutes played.
Alex keeping us right up to date. And the keeper dive into thwarting. They favoured a short one here. He certainly has time. And that is going to be all for the first 45 then, here at the Etihad Stadium. Into the second half then, and these two sides are locked together. Just can't really choose between them at the moment. And a good tackle. In with a chance. And the post gets in the way, not to be. Well, Wissam Ben Yedder stamped his authority on the first half. What did you make of it, Stuart?
Well, he stepped forward for his team with the equaliser. It could prove to be the key turning point in this contest, as they haven't been at their best today. You do feel they need to find another gear in the second half, though, if they are to go on and win it.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Return to Ronaldo. Is it going to be? Mbappe! And a goal to re-establish their advantage. Just look at the celebrations.
Let's have another look. It's a wonderful bit of interplay to start the move off. And once he gets onto it, he just smashes it past the keeper with great technique. What an emphatic finish that is.
Well, back underway as we reflect on the goal that's made it 2-1. Douglas Luiz. And Cash with it. It's with Douglas Luiz. Ben Yedder. Aston Villa will get the throw in. And the substitution will occur now. And the pass not finding its target. Kylian Mbappé. And we have more live Premier League action coming up for you soon on EA TV. It's Manchester City facing Crystal Palace.
Substitution for Manchester City. Coming off the pitch.
Now, options are plenty, but they dealt with the threat posed. Messi. Ben Yedder. Oh, good defending, clattered out of there. Well, this is interesting. I believe changing circumstances in the Arsenal game. Alex Scott.
It's a goal for Arsenal. It was a poor clearance, and it was far too easy for him after that. They're now 3 ahead with 76 minutes played.
Thank you, Alex. Big chance. Routine for Ederson. Ederson. On to Silva. 5 minutes remaining, and one thing is certain, no one is leaving because it's still close. City move it forward with purpose. De Bruyne at the ready. And that move comes to an end. Goal kick. Well, they are committed to making the substitution here. Well, 3 minutes of stoppage time, that's what the officials have said. A City free kick forthcoming. It's a big move. Not really the ideal clearance. And that is that full time here and a win for City. Your verdict.
Well, Derek, it was a really tight game, but they were the better side over the 90 minutes and they fully deserved their victory today.